Why are gold and silver prices plunging? Is there an oversupply in the market? Or what exactly is going on? A small slide deck that explains why this price fall is happening, and is it going to continue or is it going to come back up? All that and more, and a small request to all of you to please like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Here we go.
Vidiagrama is a magic and unique place with an overwhelming history.
Vidiagrama is the most inspiring place I have ever visited. I am grateful to all.
Why are gold and silver prices plunging? Well, gold and silver prices have been plunging sharply after hitting record highs last week. Gold dropped 5.5% from $4,381.50 to $4,082 per ounce, making the largest one-day fall since 2013. Silver tumbled 8.7% to $47.89 an ounce, its biggest single-day decline since February 2021. Not only that, platinum has slipped 7%, and gold miners like Barrick, Newmont, and Goldfields, they've all seen steep losses. Now, the silver miners were hit even more, Endeavour losing 8%, Core mining 7%, and Pan American Silver 6%. The pullback followed optimism over a potential US government reopening and easing trade tensions, weakening safe haven demand. This marked one of the most significant declines in precious metals over a decade. After touching a record high of $4,381 per ounce, gold faced profit-taking, resulting in a short-term price correction. Analysts noted overbought signals, particularly in silver, which led to a market cooling. Financial media flagged this as a healthy correction phase after extreme momentum. Now, depending on how the US-China trade relations go, this could also reduce the buying of gold and silver, as people might feel more comfortable. Okay, things are coming back on an even keel, and therefore things will be okay, and therefore we don't need to hedge by putting our money in gold and silver. Statements from Donald Trump about easing tariffs contributed to the decline in safe haven appeal. Better bank earnings and reduced credit risk concerns further lowered the urgency to hold metals. Remember, metals are neutral, however, they are not liquid. I mean, if you want to sell a bar of gold, you have to go through a process. And that's not as good as, or that's not as easy as just having the equivalent dollar bills, right? That's what I'm trying to say. So, unless people are really fearful of the market, they would not be taking haven to, for example, gold, silver, platinum, and so on and so forth. Now, the US dollar index rose 0.3%, making gold and silver costlier for foreign investors. Rising real interest rates increase the opportunity cost of building non-yielding assets. These factors compounded the downward pressure on gold and silver. Also, there was a tight oversupply in the London over-the-counter markets that led to people, paying more for silver because they thought that maybe London does not have enough silver. And then what happened was inflows happened from US and China of silver, and that has eased the pressure on London exchange. You have seen my monologue on a comparison of three cities where the metal exchanges are moving now, right? Rising inventories reduce the squeeze, putting downward pressure on spot prices. Now, the speculative and investment flows are also unwinding. Rapid price appreciation has attracted heavy speculative positioning. As sentiment shifted, large-scale selling has also been seen in place. And analysts from CPM Group and Kitco described the slump as short-term correction rather than a long-term reversal. Now, what is the market outlook and what to watch next? Short-term volatility is expected amid macroeconomic shift. Focus will be on the United States Consumer Price Index, the Fed rate decision, and trends in the US-China trade and silver demand. Medium to long term, analysts see strong support from central bank gold buying, inflation concerns, and mining supply constraints. Corrections are viewed as healthy consolidations, not full trend reversals. Renewed trade tensions and the threat of increased tariffs between US and China, as seen with Trump's proposed 155% tariffs from November 1st, are likely to increase gold prices again? Most likely, yes. So that's what we'll have to wait and see. China is also digging in. US is not letting go. So what is going to happen next is anyone's guess, but let's wait and see, and we'll keep you posted on what is happening on gold, silver, and platinum prices. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell button for notifications. Namaskar.